Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool place value chart, working with place value relationships with a problem related to TEKS 3.2a, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have an expression that we need to create, and it needs to be equal to 52,730. So let's go ahead and build this in a place value chart. So what I want to do is I want to just kind of separate this into, it looks like I've got 5 digits, right? So that's going to be my ones, my tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Okay, we can label it like that. We can also put the values if that helps us, right? We can put ones, tens, 100. Obviously, we get quite a few zeros by the end. But sometimes your place value chart makes more sense doing it that way. All right, so we want to build something that is equivalent to 52,730. Well, let's build this in our place value chart. And what we're going to do is we're just going to put one digit in each spot. So I've got 0 ones, I've got 3 tens, I've got 7 hundreds, I've got 2 thousands, and I've got 5 10,000s. Right, so you should be able to read this the exact same way in the place value chart as you do just in the problem itself. Now, what we need to do is we need to be able to build this with words. You notice our answer has the 5 and then a blank, 2 and then a blank, 7 and then a 3. Now you notice we're missing something. When we're building numbers, whether it be in word form, expanded notation, right? We typically will end up dropping off that 0. We're not really adding anything, so we just kind of ignore that. So we don't really need that 0 in the ones place, okay? So let's take a look at the first one, 5. We need to know what place value that's in, and then we need to know what place value that's called. And if we build our place value chart, the answer is sitting right in front of us. So this 5 is in, I have TTH. Well, what that stands for is the 10,000s. Also have my value right here. So if this were on the star test, we would drag and drop. We would take this answer right here and we would have to drag it all the way over here. So let's go ahead and write that in there. 10,000s. Because when we are saying the number 52,000, that's first made up of 5 10,000s. The 5 10,000s makes up the 50. And then it's 52,000. So I need 2,000. And you see that the second place value from the left, I wrote it as TH, but that's really just the thousands place. So I've got 2,000s. And so what we would do is we would take this 1,000 right there, and we would just slide it down into there. Now, you might be thinking, there's a lot extra. Well, there's supposed to be extra. It's not one for one. There are going to be two of these place values that we're not going to use, and hopefully you can see them already. Our number does not go to the 100,000s, right? We've already decided that the 10,000s was as high as we needed to go. It does go to the ones. Remember, there's 0 ones. So we also don't need this as well. So that's why there's more answers, choices, than there are answer spaces. All right, so now all we need to worry about is our 7 and our 3. We're not worried about that 0 because we're not going to add 0 ones. So the 7 is in the hundreds place. All right, so we're going to take this right here. We're going to kind of move it right there. So I've got 7 hundreds. And then what that leaves me with is our 3 tens. Those are the tens. And so that is going to be your answer. You can see 5 10,000s plus 2,000s plus 700s plus 3 tens.